So I told us, that Sana AKPARAWA, they are going to claim this video. I talked about speech of Vice President of Donald Trump, what he said about Christians in Nigeria. That video, I quickly reacted on it earlier, knowing fully well that these people, they're going to copy that and claim that that is a result of Ogenkere's handshake in Capitol Hill. Most of you doubted it when I posted that video. Some of you acknowledge it, knowing for the fact that that's what they do. They always look for a shortcut to praise their ATM. That is not to say that they don't know what they're doing. They know what they're doing, and they're speeding it up with a voodoo. A lot of voodoo is going on now, and we are going to talk about it maybe in next video. But I want you to remember the video that I posted where we talk about what this Vice President of Donald Trump, as you can see him here. Okay, this is just a screenshot from Sana AKPARAWA, and he did not disappoint. Look at what he said after that video. Maybe he did not watch my video, or maybe he watched it and he still felt, he's stubborn about it, because normally he would have posted the video. That means, okay, maybe he watched the video, because for him to prove, post only screenshot is to tell you that what that video actually knocked his intention off, but he still helped bend in making sure that he preached about the well-being and how far of Ogenkere handshake. Now, what he said here will interest you. He said, Biafran, that bridge, Biafran government in exile, na ebe eno. He want to, somebody should help me with his Igbo alphabet, not ebe eno, ebe ano, not eno. A series of meetings of Biafran government in exile, APM, that is ATM Ogenkere, with the lobbyist Elias Garaso, or whatever he called themselves, and with the American congressman is paying off gallantly. Haters of Biafra government in exile, over to you, he said. Now, this is screenshot. Trump vowed to defend Nigerian Christians. Hold on. So that picture will come. So, because I'm just trying to make a quick reaction to this, I did not download anything here. I am recording it direct. So that's why sometimes the video may not be all that clear. But you get the point. Because I warned you, I told you that they will end up using this video to do saga. Okay? I told you that they were gonna do it, and here we are. He have done it. My eyes are very open on that. Let me take it again. Donald Trump, that the Trump vows to defend Nigerian Christians. Okay, others globally. Vice President J. That is his name is I don't know the is it Gino something, but well, I know him as Vance. So J.D. Vance. Look at this Vice President here. And some of you that have not watched the video, I'm going to play it again here so that you connect the dots, because I made it clear to you that these people, they will use everything in them to promote Ogenkere. As if I know, of course I do, but look at the video here. Okay, this is from Joseph Okechukwu, posted this video earlier before them, and I happened to lay hands on it, and I told you that once this video get to their table, they will twist it as if Ogenkere is the one doing the needful. Now, watch this.
But I actually want to talk about a couple of other things. In particular, one of the most important parts of President Trump's policy, and where I think President Trump's policy is most in accord with Christian social teaching and with the Catholic faith, is that more than any president of my lifetime, President Trump has pursued a path of peace. And we very often, I think, ignore the way in which our foreign policy is either an instrument or an impediment to people all over the world being able to practice their faith. And we know, and as of course I learned at this breakfast last year, I believe there were some Nigerian priests who were being persecuted and were trying to protect their flock despite incredible persecution. We know that some of the biggest groups that are persecuted all over the world today are Christians. And the Trump administration promises you that whether it's here at home with our own citizens or all over the world, we will be the biggest defenders of religious liberty and the rights of conscience. And I think those policies will fall to the benefit of Catholics in particular all over the world.
This video has nothing to do with Ogenkere. You understand? It has nothing to do with Ogenkere and their group. But they are not using it. Of course, this is why I told you, anybody following them, you are a supporter of falsehood. You swing in falsehood and lies. Those who are very careful and always cautioned when the issue of lies and pretense is being mentioned. Because if you are, you will not going to support them. Those of us that understand that lie cannot give you anything meaningful to build your society or to liberate you, we cannot back up such people that can tell lies at will. They don't care. Anything around them, they will, try to configure it to preach or to, peddle lies and deceive people to make it look like they are the one getting everything right. In fact, they know what they're doing. They can do and don't do. It is not true. Now, when I play this voice, I did not show the video like this. I told you, watch out that they're gonna use it and they will claim that it's Ogenkere that have done this and done that. Now here is AKPARAWA validating that thing that I said. Okay? That series of meetings of Biafran government in exile, Ogenkere, that is the one they call the APM, with lobbyists, Elias. So now you can get the point, because they are not doing anything. What they do is to have handshake, take picture, to deceive you as if they are having a very serious conversation about freedom of Biafra or anything, nothing as such. Because remember, the person that are making this post is their own information minister, who's supposed to have the intels about everything. So this post or this video that I just watched has nothing to do with them. And if it does, this guy should have been in a better position to, have the first class information about the outcome of the meeting. But to tell you that they can lay hands on anything, if somebody somewhere talked about Biafra, probably maybe, let's say that maybe a concerned person or somebody who have conscience that is representing a member of United Nations, for example, rose up and said something about Biafrans and Christians in Nigeria, these people will call that video and tell you that it's the effort of Ogenkere and what is known lobbies, Elias. The only thing they do is to pay Elias to masquerade himself and masquerade Ogenkere to pretend that they're doing something for you to contribute money and give them. Nothing more, nothing less. And that is why you need to be very careful with them. And I'm not here to tell you what to do, but your choice is yours, like I always tell you. Now, I would like to pay attention to the comment of this post. Let us see how people reacted to this. And I've not checked it before now, so let's just go through it together. Now, let me expand this video, this page. Now, you can see here, you non-post Nigerian media ex-information minister without information. Touch illiterate. Now, some said Biafrans are the only Christian. Only Christian. Nigeria is a terrorist state. Okay, this I now have another opinion. This one said Biafran government in exile, the powerhouse and the king of Biafra. Lack of information is a very, 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 very bad something. Very, very. Look at this guy. If this person actually believe this news, monkey they walk, bamboo they chop. Somebody's laughing at this person may have a better knowledge. You are Elias that could not secure a seat on Trump's inauguration. Instead of suffering on suffering and snoring floor, be bullied by the gutter media of Nigeria. Okay, in Washington, that's the encounter of Ogenkere during that inauguration. Anyway, I am happy both our enemies now post it. Say both our enemy post it. People don't get. I mean, what does it take for you to know when you are being lied to? It is very simple. Always remember and connect the dots. That's all. Pay attention to the event. Pay attention to the event. It will help you a lot to understand who is telling you the truth or who is lying to you. The joy of the haters of the Biafran government in exile will soon turn into mourning. In Anokwa. Now we high hope about meeting in the other. Then somebody said to Today, now fundraising, this mortuary attendants at Barawa, we always say something, or we always say some useless things to see if Biafrans will donate to his criminal gang with Ogenkere. Now I'm gonna end it here because you can see Biafrans are paying attention to that. Like I said, for you to know who is who, pay attention to the event. It will enable you to understand what is going on because you can see the comment section here. In business, you get what you negotiate. So the federal government is the real deal. People who don't pay attention are still following and yapping nonsense. Like I said, go and watch the video that I posted. If not the one, not the recent video before this one. A video, my last two video before this video. Go and watch it. Watch that last two video. That is where I talk about this in earlier before this guy's post because I happened to lay hand on that video, the original copy of the video, and I told you that these people that as I told you, they're gonna use it, and here he is using it to rush for their fundraising to make sure that people donate like our brother here likely said, and that's what happened. Okay. My people, tell me what you think about it. If you're following this platform, you are not going to regret it because I made it clear to us earlier before now. So this is just to validate what I said that it is true. They're going to use it and have used it. Thank you so much, my people. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about it. What is your take on this? God bless you.